What's good people? This your boy Sean J, representing Debonair Millionaires, and I'm here to talk about your net worth. Let's get it.
Oh my. What's your net worth?
2 million.
2 million. And how'd you get the 2 million?
I worked my ass off.
You worked your ass off,
And
absolutely.
I invested properly. I bought real estate.
Investments, real estate, worked your ass off. Those are the three ways. Right?
Net worth. I'm pretty sure you heard of it somewhere, sometime in your life, where they're talking about maybe some superstar, some famous person. They say they got a net worth of $2.4 million in the Forbes magazine or something like that, right? But what is net worth? Let's break that down, right? First, let's just break this down. In my other videos, I've talked about net income. Net income and net worth are basically related. They're cousins, they're distant cousins. Your net income is basically what you earned for that year or time frame that we're talking about.
Your job, where you work every day, how you get paid, whether your salary is 60 grand or 600 grand, that's earned income. It's the highest taxed income there is, and it's very, very difficult to create wealth. Not impossible, but very difficult to create true financial freedom and real wealth with earned income.
What I have found after 40 years of working in tax and finance is that many of us get hung up on how much are we making each year. And as you look back over your life, you'll really find that what's more important is how much value am I adding to my net worth each year. And so really, those people who are extremely successful, at least that I've observed, concentrate more on seeing their net worth increase from year to year.
Your net worth is basically your assets minus your liabilities. An asset, we have already discussed, is something that makes you money. Like a business, or like you rent out a house, something that you can gain from, right? Your liabilities is taking it out of your pocket, right?
Excuse me, how much is your net worth?
No idea.
I'm sorry?
I have no idea.
No idea about what?
My net worth.
Your net, sir?
Oh, mine.
How much is it worth?
What is a way that we can increase our net worth? So the best way I can think about this, right, is you bought a house for $150,000, right? And in that house, you thought it needed to be modernized. The kitchen needs to be modernized. It's kind of old or whatever, right? So $150,000 you bought the house for. Then you paid about $15,000 into the house to get your renovations for the kitchen, right? So what is that? $165,000 is in your name in that house, right? Then you get that house reappraised. You get that house reappraised, and they appraise it for $200,000, right? So what you do is you take the value of that house, which is now $200,000 minus that $165,000, and that is your net worth on that one asset, right? So your net worth would probably be what, $35,000. So you're now worth $35,000. Quickest way to raise your net worth.